Finally, Hilary Olunga Obilo, a lawyer based in Kakamega chapter, who was murdered mercilessly by unknown assailants, was today buried the 14th day, March 2020, at his home in Sirende village, Kitale district in Trans Nzoia County. Among the mourners in attendance comprised of the Law Society of Kenya, led by the presidential-elect Nelson Havi, and other councils, government officials, families, friends, and relatives. Joshua Kipto, who is a speaker of the Nandi County government as well as a classmate with the deceased, said that parents and society's investment on education all goes to a drain when life is lost, saying that it will be very difficult for the legal fraternity to say how much they have lost, so as the country of Kenya.
It will be very difficult for us at this point to say how much we lose, so that as the family loses, as the relatives pain, remember also the country loses a lot. The amount of investment in education that the parents and the society invested in Hilary, all that goes to drain wakati ameenda.
Also in attendance was the Nandi County Senator, who is also the chairman of the Justice and Legal Affairs and Human Rights in the Senate, appeals to the government officials to deal with the matter expeditiously.
They must investigate this matter and put it to rest so that we know the family can be at peace. The family can be happy to know that what really happened to their son. So that we want to know the motive. So I hope the necessary organs of government and agencies, and I want to call upon the Law Society of Kenya, especially Kakamega chapter, tafadhali musaidie familia, so that all of us, although it is painful we have lost our brother, it will be more at peace if we know what really happened.
He also appeals to the Law Society of Kenya to fight for the rights of Kenyans who may have disappeared through enforcement disappearance, saying that they are the voice of Kenyans.
There is this what we call extrajudicial killings and enforced disappearances. You need to stand up and assist us fight for the rights of Kenyans, wherever they are. There are many Kenyans who are being killed either by thugs or the police. There are many sons and daughters who have disappeared through enforcement disappearance. We need to work together as LSK because you are the voice of reason and fidelity and the rule of law in this country. So even as we mourn our brother, even as we find what happened to him, and as investigations continue, please kindly let us assist each other fighting for the basic human rights, especially extrajudicial killings and enforced disappearance, so that we can continue.
And also ask the religious leaders to pray for the nations on the coronavirus spread, and also advise the citizens to have self-responsibility in order to contain the spread of the virus.
Tuombee taifa letu la Kenya. Nasikia mmesikia kuna ugonjwa inaitwa corona imeanguka hii dunia. Let us be clean so that we contain the spread of this virus, and I hope the government will do anything possible to ensure that we don't spread the virus.
The presidential-elect Nelson Havi stressed on the accountability of the security officials when the security deteriorates in the country, saying that they should not be assumed as normal occurrences. The DCI has also deployed a team of homicide investigators to get to the deep root cause of the matters.
Security cannot be deteriorating, and when you are asked to account, you tell us this was a normal incident, that there was no motive behind it, that it could have happened to anybody. No, we will not listen to that. That is not permissible. Because this is not the first time that somebody has lost his or her life in Kakamega County. These cases have been rampant of late. In fact, not so long ago, the Inspector General of Police, together with the Minister of Interior, had to fly into Kakamega County to quell a situation whereby over 30 people had been killed. What is the administration doing? What is the county government doing? What is the Inspector of Police doing? Because we suspected there was foul play in the manner in which these investigations were being conducted, I reached out to the Director of Criminal Investigations and he has dispatched a team of homicide investigators to come and take over these investigations so that we're able to get to the root cause of this problem. There is nothing we can do to bring Hillary back, but there is a lot we can do to ensure that those behind this heinous crime are apprehended, they are prosecuted, and if found guilty, they're duly dealt with in accordance with the law.
He also advised the public to avoid gatherings, and notification is underway before Monday morning whether there will be continuation in the normal court proceedings in the courts on behalf of the advocates.
We will give you a notification before Monday morning on behalf of advocates as to whether we'll continue with the normal court operations.
Reporting for Climax TV from Sirende Village, Kitale District in Trans Nzoia County, I'm Ogunde Vincent Onyango.